Hello and welcome back to the Getting Started with Machine Learning series. Today we'll be discussing about lists in Python, what are lists and how it is useful. Lists are very essential and very important, so it becomes a necessary aspect, to understand how a list functions, what are its functionalities, many other properties and everything. So without any delay, let's dive into the topic. So what are lists? Lists are a collection of various elements, okay, which are mutable in nature. What do we mean by mutable in nature? That means if you store a number of elements in the list, okay, you have the accessibility to change the content of the list. That means you can change the elements in the list. You can add new element, remove element, and you can at any point of the time you during the program you can add on and change the element name itself. Okay, so you have the accessibility to do anything with the list. It's very free and very adaptable. Okay, and these are sequences, so you store everything in a sequence, and store and list make use of square brackets. Okay, so when we do the examples now, you'll be seeing how we are making use of square brackets to store the elements of the list. Okay, so the concept will be more clear when we do practical examples. So without any further delay, let's dive into the examples. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, okay. So this is how our list is defined in Python programming language. Okay, so when we talk about list, you see over here when I'm declaring one variable week. Okay, week is equal to, now you see I'm making use of square brackets, right? So I have given open two square brackets over here, first in the this one and here. Within the square brackets you can fill in the kind of elements that you want to store in the list. So I have taken three elements and stored them. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So this now week is forming a list. Okay, so this is a list. So when I execute this cell, it is going to print Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and it is in the form of a list. Okay, now so suppose if you want to check the type of it, you can also write it like print type of week, right? So this will show us what type of data structure. Yeah, see over here. So this is how a list is defined in Python programming language. Now I have told you we can do many other functions with a list. So let us see what are the various functions we can do with a list. So storing the elements in the list will make them store in a very unique way. So the indexing starts from 0 till n minus 1. So there are three elements. So indexing will start with 0 and it will go till n minus 1. That means three elements are over here, so it will go till 2, that is 3 minus 1 2. So this is Monday is at Monday is at 0th position, Tuesday is at first position, Wednesday is at second position. So 0 1 2, that's how the indexing goes. Now suppose if you want to change the as we have already discussed, right, that lists are mutable, so you can change the type of elements, you can change the content of the list. Now I want to change the first element from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so we all like Sunday, that's why. So yeah, so let's do that. So weeks, how I am able to access that particular element, this is known as indexing. So I want to change the 0th position, right? So I will access the 0th position. Week of 0 is equal to Sunday, and that is how the 0th position over here will be replaced from Monday to Sunday. Now if I print this, execute this cell, you see, yeah, we have Sunday, Tuesday and Wednesday. The Monday has been replaced with Sunday. That's it. Now let us see how you can access the elements from the list. Accessing the elements from a list is same as the how we are doing the indexing over here, right? So let us see. Now I want the elements from 1 to 2. That means remember the positioning. This is 0th, this is 0, this is first position, this is second position, right? So when I'm indexing like this 0, 1 colon 2, this means the first argument 1 is the starting index from where I should start. I should start from the first position and I should go till n minus 1. So it will go till n minus 1. That means 2 minus 1, 1 only, right? So which element it will print? It will print only Tuesday. Okay, so let's execute this. Yeah, see, Tuesday, because we started from 1 and we didn't go further. We were just at the no, we just went till 2 minus 1, that is first, at the same position, first position itself we were there. Okay, now next thing, when you type week of minus 1, what it will do, it will print the last element. Okay, so from first we are counting it as 0 1 2. From the last you can count it as minus 1. That means Wednesday as minus 1, Tuesday at minus 2, Monday at minus 3, right? So when I print a week of -1, it is going to give me Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. And if you type here, let's see, 2, it should give you, it is such as Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, right? Yeah, so this is another way of accessing the elements. One more way, suppose you want the elements from starting, you want the elements, but till a certain position, right? So how can we do that? We can make use of colon, but before colon, as we were having arguments over here, we won't mention any arguments over here. We'll just mention colon, and we'll after the colon, we'll decide at till which position we want, plus that position. Still, if we want till first position, we'll put it as 2 because the indexing will go from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so we'll have from over here, if we are not providing any argument, it will go from 0th position till the last, till the specified position. And if you provide any argument in the first and do not provide any argument in the second after colon, what it will do, it will start from the this particular position and it will go till the end of the list. Okay, so let's print this. Yeah, so see over here, started from the 0th position, that is after the changing, we have Sunday at 0 position till n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So we'll went till Tuesday. And let us see this one. Print week of 1 colon and no argument. So 1 colon means we'll start from first position. That means we'll start from Tuesday. We'll go till the end of the list, that is Wednesday. Okay. To get the length of the list, you can just make use of len function. Len and the list name will give you the length of the list. That is 3. We can also append new elements to the list, and we can append them at the end. To append them at the end, you can make use of the append function of the list. When you type week name of the list dot append and the argument or the element that you want to append, it will append at the end of the list. Okay, so when we print the week over here, see Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we have a Friday. Okay, I know the orders are not correct. Please don't mind that. So we have week. When we use week dot append, you will just add it to the end of the list. Now suppose you want to insert a new element at whichever position you wish to enter, right? So you can make use of week dot insert function. Insert function will take 2 arguments. The first argument is the position at which you want to insert and the argument that you want to insert. So now I wish to insert my new day at position 1. So this is 0th position, this is first position. So I will insert in the place of Tuesday, at the first position I will have new day, and Tuesday will become the second element. See, Sunday, new day, Tuesday. Okay, now suppose if you want to remove an element, what to do? You can remove by using the remove function. See, the functions are, they all of them go by their names. Okay, so you can it's very easy to comprehend them. So week dot, when you use remove, it will remove the particular argument whatever you have specified over here. So I have specified Sunday, so it will remove Sunday from my list. So I have new day, Tuesday and Wednesday. That's it. And when you make use of reverse, what does the reverse function will do? Reverse function will reverse the entire list. Now my list is new day, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. When I make use of reverse, it will print Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday and new day. Okay, so let's see it. Yeah, see, so we have Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday and new day. So the list is quite reversed now totally. Okay, yeah. Now suppose we have another list. Let us say, for example, I have another small list, date as 1, 2 and 3. I can also add two lists. How? By just making use of a normal plus operator. Okay, so week is already a list and date is a new list. I'm going to add these two lists, elements of these two lists, and store it in a new list. Okay, so this is the merging of two lists or adding of the two lists. And when I print the new list, it will contain all these elements 1, 2, 3 with Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and new day. Because why it is Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and new day? Why not in the the actual order? Because we have already specified, we have already implemented the function reverse, and the reverse function is implemented on the list. So the whole list will change to the new list, which will be the reverse format of the original one. Okay, so that will be only used until unless it is reversed again. Okay, so this is how a list functions. There are many other operations and functions in list. You can also go through the Python documentation where they have also specified there are many more n number of operations that can be performed, but these are some of the essential operations that we make use in the list. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. We are Developer Students Club at Geetham University. Feel free to reach out to us. We have shared our description and contact links in the description. And yes, thank you. Please feel free to shoot your doubts in the comment section and we'll be answering them. Thank you.